It's going.
What's up, guys? It's me and Lane. We're new to YouTube, but we're gonna call our channel GasPedal Media. We'll be doing a little bit of everything. We'll be working on our trucks,
Bikes.
We got some mud truck plans coming up.
Hopefully pretty soon some kind of street truck or car or something.
Yeah, a little bit of fab work, just projects in general. But here's a couple clips.
They're pretty random. They're not really well organized. We're like he said, we're new. This is our first video, so give us a follow, like, comment if you have any suggestions. Check it out. Enjoy. All right, here it is. LS swapped 96 Chevy. It's got headers, no cats, a muffler for right now to an axle dump. It's a 6.0. We're gonna do a startup with the muffler, then we're gonna cut it off and probably weld the tip back on later. But for now, we'll do a startup and see how it sounds both ways. All right, here's a start that's already fully warmed up with the muffler. Got the doors closed, windows up. There she is. So this is what we're working with. Gonna chop it here, pull it off the hanger, just yank this piece out, and then we'll cut it here later. Put just a straight piece of pipe. That way I can have the tip and everything back on it. See how she goes.
Give it another try.
There we go.
Give her the beans.
One nice little rip.
Send it.
Can't be that much left of it.
There she goes.
All right, here we are. I'm out of breath. Got the muffler off. Got the door shut, just like the same. Here we go. Oh my God. Dude, it's so loud.
First startup, no muffler. Ooh, she sounds rowdy. Oh. Yo.
It's so loud.
All right, we're going for the first drive. Truck is now straight piped. This roll the window down.
Hey man, don't expose me. This thing's a hoopty. It don't work.
Come on, man.
It don't work.
She sounds pretty good though.
Ready? Full throttle.
This motor came out of an 01 Silverado that caught on fire. It was pretty much a direct swap. It has the factory Tahoe 96 4060 trans. There's a couple, there's a spacer that goes between the flywheel and this trans, and then obviously it's got the different motor mounts, the ICT billet adapter plates.
I don't know if you can get a good...
that bolts onto your factory clamshells and everything. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. It's just a factory motor.
Long tubes.
Pretty much bone stock. After that, I mean, it's just got a 3-inch exhaust. We may do a video on an exhaust building later on. It's a pretty simple process. This Tahoe has a Amazon 3-inch kit. It's like $170.
Really nice piping.
Yeah,
see if I can get a shot of it.
But
You can see where it was.
pretty simple setup.
All the way up the back.
This will be our next straight axle project.
So bye-bye IFS. Hello solid axle. Let's explore our options. Got a couple of different front axles to choose from, but yes. Sounds good. Here's a better shot of the headers. There's the motor mount adapter plates. Pretty much it. Maybe have a nice little snail sitting right here later on.
Oh yeah. That's the plan.
Yep.
So we put a muffler on the truck. It's a Flowmaster Super 10 with a little turn down right past the cab. We're just gonna do a little startup real quick. Go for it. It's got a nice deep tone now. Still sounds pretty aggressive. No cats.
Well, there it is. First official YouTube video. Expect the quality to get better as we keep going. Also, we have other social medias. We'll try to post more on our other social medias. That way we keep you guys in the loop, and we can let you know when we're posting what we're working on too.
Yeah, we got tons of projects. All we need is time. So the projects coming up are going to be pretty intense, pretty in depth. So make sure to follow along. We got a lot of a big mud truck build coming up.
Yeah, let's get this one fun.
Yeah, for sure. We got a couple bikes we're going to be building too. Some YZ250s, full frame up builds. So
he's hoping to get this thing solid axle swap pretty soon.
yeah, in the next couple of weeks.
So a lot of stuff coming up. Hopefully we'll get even some stuff that's not like a build series. Maybe a couple of dirt bike clips of us riding at the track.
Yeah, we'll have some how-tos, that kind of stuff.
So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, share, like, comment. You know what everybody says at the end of their videos. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.